friends, I'm Ritwik Rajan. I'm from Bangalore. My contact number is 9980891686 or 9113265973. My email ID is snehalatarajan@gmail.com. I'm visually impaired, having cognitive impairment and lacking fine motor skills. When I was having bath, sometimes the soap falls down and find it difficult to search for it. But with this innovation of my mom, I'm able to comfortably have my bath.
As Ritwik said, he finds it difficult to hold the soap. Sometimes there is likelihood of the soap falling down and difficult for him to pick it up. So I found this method. I used old socks and I put the soap in here. The soap is in here and I fixed a loop on it so that I can hang it on a hook in the washroom. And this is how he uses it. Take that. Now wait. Nicely well. See. And this is very comfortable for him. There's no fear of the soap falling down.
Break Free Solutions brought to you by eiLabs and Project Discovery. Partnered by Enable India, Trinayani Sethi Foundation, Allergis Easy, CII Young Indians and Young Indians Accessibility.